Hey, what's up guys? Today I'll be opening another illusion hobby box. Gonna hope for Durant, Zion, Giannis, signature card, probably something crazy signature card, please. Alright, let's get started. Alright, let's go. Josh, Terry, oh, paper. Devontae Graham, number 12 out of 99. Ooh, Devin Booker, Lau, and Keldon Johnson. Alright, this is a little heavy, so I feel like this might be it. Kevin, Ben Simmons. Alright, that's not it. Tim, number 17 out of 99. Oh, and here's Kawhi Leonard with the illumination. Marcus Smart and Cody White. Thaddeus Young, John Wall, Victor with the gold. Let's put this on the side. Oh, Donovan Mitchell with the shining star. Oh, and then a Trae Young. Wow. Trae Young. And Cam Reddish. Wow. Two good cards in one pack. Alright, here's TJ Warren, Kevin Love, Scofield, fantasy matchup, Alex Caruso, and Kai Bowman. Alright, here's Tristan Thompson. There's Sabonis. Kristaps with the gold. Living legend, Larry Bird. Ooh. Kawhi Leonard. Wow. And Jalen. Alright, here's Will, Hassan White, Bruno with the gold, Luka Samanic, Kevin Durant, and Terrence Davis. Here's Gordon Hayward, Draymond Green. Okay, here's a numbered card, Mitchell Robinson, numbered 11 out of 25. Jarrett Culver, Bam, Goga, ooh, Donovan Mitchell. Oh, Nikola. Oh my god, that's crazy. Dorian with the gold. Okay, Bojan. Clear shot. Michael Porter Jr. and Rue. Alright, here's Jake. Miles. Here's a number card. Goga. Number 53 out of 99. Here's a double vision. Jimmy Butler and Bam. And here's Aaron Gordon and Kevin Porter Jr. Nikola, Buddy. Alright, here's a number card. Number 68 out of 99. Horford. Ooh, here's Damian Lillard. Mystique. Wow. Not bad, not bad. Steph Curry. Another not bad card. Matisse. Alright, here's Terrence Rose, Bruce Brown, Mark Kelly with the gold, astounding, Ben Simmons. Just put it here. Dorian and RJ Barrett. Alright, here's the last three. Giannis, Ricky, LeBron James with the gold. And then here's, oh, double vision, LeBron James and Anthony Davis. Wow. Nice, nice, nice. And here's Markley and Ty Jerome. Alright, here's OG Mitchell, Tyler Hero with the gold, illumination Demar, Kevin Looney, and Jared Cover. Alright, here's the last pack. This should be the signature card one. Let's go. Whew, kinda nervous. Jason Tatum. Oh, okay, first good card. Hopefully he's not damaged. DeJounte Murray, Jaren Jackson Jr., Stephon Marburry. Yep, that's a signature card. That's pretty much it. And here's Tim and Kendrick Nunn. Alright, that's the signature card. Hopefully you guys liked the video. Not a lot of crazy, well, there's a lot of crazy pulls. So thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, like, comment. Yeah, see you guys around.